Alright, what's going on, guys? John back here with another video. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is diagnosing a misfire in the Bugeye WRX. So, went ahead and picked up a new coil pack from Subaru. So, if anybody is wondering what the coil pack part number is, oh, there goes my thing. There's a part number for you guys. So yeah, we're going to get to work on the Bugeye. We're going to go ahead and throw this coil pack in. Now, if you are trying to diagnose your Bugeye WRX with a misfire or just in general a WRX, even any car, honestly, all you really need to do is just switch around the coil packs. So for instance, I was having a misfire in cylinder 1, so I went ahead and changed it 1 and 3, and then I was having a misfire in 3, therefore narrowing it down to just be my coil pack. So I did change, or I did check on my spark plugs and they looked absolutely fine, so I knew it had to be coil pack related. So I went and switched them just to double check, and yeah, so it ended up being the coil pack. So like I said, we got a new coil pack from Subaru. Was pretty steep, but I wanted OEM, and it's like 130 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. All you literally need is a 12mm socket. All right, pop this hood here. Hold up. There we go. All right, so really all you need to do, remove your intake. I do need to go get an 8mm. Forgot about that. Remove the intake, MAF, then you can get to the coil pack, and it's as easy as that. So let's do that. All right, so we got the 8mm on this bad boy, so we're gonna go ahead and take that off. Just like that. Easy as that. MAF off like that. Look at that, one-handed, taking off everything. Too easy. Now we just need to get to that coil pack right there. Literally just that 112mm bolt, and it comes right out. So yeah, once you go ahead and crack it loose, you should just be able to undo it with your fingers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. 10 years later, finally got that bolt out. Now I can go ahead, pull this coil pack out, and then to get this out, literally what you have to do is just have to do a little like 180-degree spin on this thing to get it out, like that, and then you can just slip it right out, and then just unplug it like that. Here is our new OEM coil pack. Comes with nice new hardware and everything, so that's cool. Slide this thing in now. Plug this back in. So like I said, you're gonna want to do like a little 180-degree spin. So you're gonna have it started like this with the bolt on this side. Get it in there, flip it around, and then yeah, now you should be good. So now you just bolt it back up and you're chilling. I got that new coil pack in, as you guys can see, looking fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and slap the intake back on, and we'll give this thing a start, take it for a test run, and we'll see if it still misfires. All right, we got this thing all put back together. Let's go ahead, give this thing a start up, and hopefully we won't have a misfire anymore. We'll see. Let the fuel pump go a little bit. All right, she started right up. Sounds good. Quiet, but hey. So we'll go ahead and take this thing for a test drive. Take this bumper off because we don't run bumpers around here. No worries. And yeah, hopefully this thing's good. Also, we are gonna get some OEM side skirts for this thing because, as you can see, side skirts are all they're gone. OEM side skirts are gone. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, grab some side skirts for this thing. Now I am still debating on whether or not to just cut this quarter panel rust out, cut my losses with it, and literally just put some eBay fender flares or whatever, like wide body it, call it a day. But I'm not really sure. Let me know what you guys think, if we should just cut these fenders up, put some fender flares on it, and get rid of that rust, because it is kind of gross. But yeah, so far this thing's coming together. I'm pretty happy with the outcome of it currently and the way that it sits. Now today I was gonna go ahead and try and do the headers, the up pipe, and the down pipe install on this thing, but I'm not sure. It really depends on time and what we're working with. But for right now, I'm gonna go take this thing for a test drive, see how it does. So I want to take a minute. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. There's gonna be a ton of Bugeye content, BMW 335D content, and obviously Turbo BRZ content once the spring comes. So I'm really excited for that and where this channel is gonna go. I've been consistently uploading for you guys, and I really enjoy it, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content as well. I plan to keep uploading as much as I can, and yeah, be ready for this thing in the winter. It's gonna be a blast. I can't wait to rip it in the snow. That's why I got this thing for a winter build. All right, so I think we let this thing warm up enough. It's almost halfway. We're just gonna go ahead and take it slow, warm it up a little bit. We're almost out of gas, but that's no big deal. And yeah, we're gonna see if we get any misfires while we're ripping it around. Let's see how she does, boys. Now, from my knowledge, this thing is running a little bit lean, but I do plan on getting an actual tune for it, so that's not really that big of a deal. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive this thing around a little bit, get it warmed up, and then we'll try and do a little bit of a pull to see if this thing is still misfiring. Crossing my fingers, it's not. I mean, it shouldn't be, because it's definitely the coil pack that's the issue. Running way better. I didn't feel any hiccups or anything like that, so that's cool. Sounds really good. I'm liking it. So now we can definitely move on to a tune and get this thing running even better, because it is running lean, like I said. Don't mind the rattling in the back. That's just the skid plate and some headers. But it seems like we definitely fixed the misfire, which is super sick. So if anybody's having trouble with a misfire, definitely switch around your coil packs first and see if that's the issue. Most likely, 9 times out of 10, it's either that or the spark plugs. And if it's not that, maybe check your injectors. Maybe one of them's clogged or something along those lines. But yeah, this doesn't just go for the WRX. This goes for really any car. So yeah, I'm happy with the outcome of that. And then yeah, today we're gonna try and do a header install along with up pipe and down pipe install on this thing to get it sounding a little bit more loud, because it's just quiet. So yeah guys, that's probably gonna do for this video. Now the next video that I am gonna be uploading, which will probably be on Sunday, is gonna be the headliner install on this thing. I already have the video filmed, just really need to edit it, but I think I'm gonna put this video up first before I put the headliner video up. If you haven't noticed, we put black headliner, suede, into the Bugeye WRX, because the one that was in here before that was gross, so we decided to put that in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Make sure you have a great day, and I hope you guys achieve all your goals. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. Be right for the next one. Peace.